Hello everyone. Welcome to Maria Daily English.
I'm so happy you're here with us today. I am John.
And I am Maria.
Today we are learning how to ask for things politely using can, could, and may.
Yes. These three words all ask for permission or help, but they have different levels of politeness.
So, what is the main difference?
Think of it as a ladder. Can is at the bottom, casual. Could is in the middle, polite. May is at the top, very formal.
Let's start with can. When do we use it?
Use a can with friends, family, or people you know well. It's direct and friendly. For example, can you pass the water? Can I use your phone?
Got it. Casual and easy. Now, could?
Could is softer and more polite. Use it with strangers, teachers, or colleagues. For example, could you please help me with this bag? Could I have a glass of water?
And may?
May is the most formal. Use it with bosses, officials, or in very serious situations. For example, may I speak to the manager? May I leave early today?
Let's test this. Scenario 1, asking a friend to borrow a charger.
Friend equals casual. So,
Can I borrow your charger?
perfect. Scenario 2, asking a waiter for the menu.
Waiter equals stranger, service. So, could I see the menu, please?
Excellent. Scenario 3, asking your boss for a day off.
Boss equals formal, respectful. So, may I take Friday off, sir?
Spot on. Let's try a natural conversation. John, can you help me move this table?
Sure. But could you hold the other side? It's heavy.
Of course. By the way, may I ask you a personal question?
Oh. That's very formal. But yes, you may.
Har har. Sorry, force of habit. Can I ask where you bought that shirt?
Oh, at the mall. Could I get one for you too?
That would be great. Thanks. See how we switched? Can for friends, could for polite requests, may for formal permission.
Quick review, can equals casual. Could equals polite. May equals formal.
Memory trick, can equals buddy. Could equals colleague. May equals manager.
Common mistakes to avoid: don't use may with your best friend, it sounds weirdly stiff. Don't use can with a judge in court, it sounds disrespectful. Match the word to the person.
Practice tip, next time you ask for something, pause and think, who am I talking to? Friend? Stranger? Boss? Then choose can, could, or may.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Maria Daily English, and share it with a friend who wants to sound more polite.
And practice time. In the comments, write one request using a can, one using a could, and one using a may. We'll read and correct every single comment.
Keep practicing, stay polite, and remember, tone matters as much as grammar.
Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Keep speaking.